What's up YouTube, Jared Land here with Nova Tech, and you know what it is, it's back to school season, and I got a What's in My Tech Bag video. This is my personal everyday carry, and if you didn't know, I'm actually a high school teacher, which means, yeah, I actually am going back to school, and this is all the everyday carry gear that I carry with me, and you need to check out the links in the description below because there are some that'll even offer you a discount code, so make sure you guys check that out. Kicking it off right, one of my personal favorite backpack companies, Air, has a brand new bag called the Go Pack 2, and this is one of my new absolute favorites. I love the new gray colorway. This is made of Cordura fabric that is actually super lightweight, and that's one of my favorite things about this backpack, especially because I feel like I always overload my backpack with tech. I got FOMO, honestly, and so I feel like every time my backpack just overloads and is so heavy. Well, this year, I'm trying to keep it to the essentials, and you know what? It actually does feel lighter, and I like the smaller size of it. Starting out with this one. This guy's linked below. Look at this. Magnetic, quick release, and quick back on. You gotta love this. I'll link this one below. I found it on Amazon. It's nice and durable. Look at this carabiner. The second one, my personal carabiner that I keep on me all day, every day. I actually like to latch this onto my backpack. I got the Night Eyes carabiner. I love these aluminum ones. They're really nice and lightweight, but super durable still. Let's see what else we got in here. Let me put this bag down. My Jeep Grand Cherokee, yes, I love that thing. This little capsule is one of my favorite things on here. This is a mini lighter. And yes, it actually works. I love this thing. Next up, not a videographer or photographer without a Peak Design extra little clip right here. You gotta keep an extra one just in case, even though these things never really break. So, lastly, got some keys, and my favorite AirTag accessory, because all of the different AirTag keychains I've tried are too bulky or too cheap and plasticky. This one is so awesome. It's from Laid Lion, and it's just incredibly minimal. Look at this thing. I can't show you enough how simple it is. It actually goes into the battery compartment of the AirTag, and that's how it attaches. So basically, you just have an AirTag hanging off here instead of an AirTag with an extra case and all that. You know what? On that note, let me get out my other AirTag. So, like I said, those are my car keys that I don't normally just have in or on my backpack. But this guy is another AirTag carabiner. Might as well talk about it right now. This one's just from Belkin, nice and simple. This one I liked because it was an actual carabiner with the AirTag built in. And this one sometimes I'll take off of my actual school bag, my everyday carry bag, and I'll throw it onto my camera bag or my suitcase. And so I kind of like that this one has this big carabiner, whereas this one, even though it's super minimal, I do have to put it on another keychain loop in order to use it. So there's the outside of my bag. Those are the things. Oh, last but not least, little Supreme tag, of course, come on. Well, I might as well just start dumping stuff out, right? So I love this little latch, magnetic latch on the outside to an exterior pocket with no zipper. I actually just keep a beanie and a light flannel inside of there. Nice and easy. Around the big pocket, I will just start emptying it. In the big pocket, I have this. I've always loved this in-case carrier for my MacBooks. This one I'll link below. This one is just super rugged. It's got this rubber ring around it that has extra protection, and I've definitely accidentally dropped this MacBook inside of this, and I didn't dent it, and I couldn't believe it because I have dented previous aluminum unibody MacBook cases before. So I'm currently rocking the 16-inch MacBook Pro from quite a few years ago. Still got the dual USB-C ports on the side. Don't have that new one yet, the M1s or the M2s. I definitely gotta upgrade soon. And in this pocket right here, you might think I'm joking, but I actually keep Blue Mon's original paste in my backpack. And let's check out today's sponsor. Today we're bringing back one of my favorite sponsors of the video, Blue Mon Hair Products. And as you can see, the hair's been growing. I'm excited. Someday we'll get to donate again, but for now I get to enjoy this hair, get to show you how I do it every day, and show you some of my favorite products to use on the daily. Let's go. So currently I do my hair in 3 different steps. First, I like to start with this. This is the Cloud Control Oil. This is so good for your hair health, for your growth, and that's why I use it right now since I've been growing my hair out. Depending on your hair length, all you need is 2 to 4 drops. I use 3 currently, and this stuff does wonders for you. Once I get it in my hand, mix it around a bit, take off this hairband, and you just want to work it in, work it all over. And my favorite part about this is keeps my hair healthy, helps it grow faster. Now that I'm over 30, I feel like I actually care about the things that are in the products I use. So I love that this has this unique blend of 12 natural oils and other botanical products that are just good for you. All right, so now with my hair a little damp and with a little bit of oil in it, what I like to do is I add this Ascend Volume Cream, and this is the game changer. This is the thing that actually helps so much with my hair. This is the pre-styler from Blumon called Ascend, and I love using this product. It honestly just smells really good too. As someone who's been using this product for a while, I love this new packaging. Helps it come out way easier, and that's always a good thing. All right, get a little glove, work it all around, and work it into the hair. And then after I do this is blow dryer time, which I know you don't want to hear. So let me grab my blow dryer and I'll see you guys in a sec. All right, I don't know about you, but I'm already seeing more volume, more poof, and you gotta love that. And final step, take my favorite styler. I actually love the original one. This one's got high hold and natural finish. That's what I like. I don't want my hair to look too oily. So this stuff is the winner for me. Get a little glob, depends on however much you want, and work that baby in. What do you think? There you go, current hairstyle. Shout out Blumon. I want to hook you guys up today, so make sure you check that first link in the description to go to Blumon's website, check out some of their products, and you can use code NOVA for a discount. Later. All right, next up in the big compartment, we got my 12-inch, original 12-inch iPad Pro. Check out that single camera on the back. I didn't ever feel the need to upgrade, and currently I am loving this setup. So I have the Apple Pro keyboard with the trackpad. I actually really love this one. But what's special to me is actually the insert inside of here where I have, this is from Moft. I love Moft product. This is basically a slim profile case that goes in between. It doesn't add any bulk, it actually works, and it has an Apple Pencil holder as well. So definitely check this one out. I've been loving using Air's Doppkit 3. I love this new version. It's a little bit more slim, and the best part to me is the fact that it clamshells open. That just makes life so much easier. Before, on the first day I actually was using this backpack, I just had tech kind of spread out through the different pockets because there's so many pockets in this awesome Go Back 2. But what I have now in this stop kit is MacBook charger with the blockhead horizontal attachment that makes it so that your actual charging brick can sit flush against the wall. Blockhead, you definitely gotta check this guy out. Next up, this is Chiffon. This is a multi-cable charger slash data transfer. I love this thing. It has lightning, it has USB-C, it has mini USB, micro USB, and USB-A. Check this cable out, it's a lifesaver. Next up, I love these little cable clips specifically. That's what I want to talk about. This little cable clip I actually got from Home Depot. They have some on Amazon as well. I'll link it below. It makes it so that I can keep things nice and organized. USB-C to USB-C cable. All right, next up, in the little pocket of my little dock kit, I keep this guy from Juiced Systems. This is my little dongle. It has anything and everything I could possibly need, including Ethernet, including VGA, HDMI, micro SD, SD, multiple USB A 3.0 ports, USB-C, and even a headphone jack adapter. Come on, this thing has everything. Currently, it's holding up great for me. Also keep a little USB-C to SD card reader in here just in case, despite the fact that that Juice System hub actually has an SD card reader on it as well. All right, jump into my next pocket in here. Oof, I love the current MagSafe pop socket adapter, and I love that it's magnetic. This thing's awesome. I pop it on and off whenever I want to, and sometimes you just need a pop socket, honestly. I kind of want to try that Snap Pro 3 company or the O-Snap company. Maybe if they see this, they can send me one. I love this little tiny storage unit. This has USB-A to USB-C, depending on whichever computer you use. You can put it in either way for data transfer, and it's just a nice little storage. I love it. Okay, next up we got, my Colorware custom red and black AirPods Pros. I love these things so much. They're super clean. You gotta check out Colorware because they do a fantastic job, and I definitely think it's worth it. Alright, next up. Oh yes, you guys are gonna love this. The last two things in that kit are my current two EDC flashlights that I love. Both will be linked below. This one is tiny, has a USB-C charging side built into it, and then it also just turns on as soon as you demagnetize it from its charging base. I love this thing. I actually keep this in my car all the time as well. And then this one, this I cannot believe. This tiny thing is 1,000 lumens. Charges via USB-C. It has even different colors on it that you can change from, including color modes, like a red and blue mode. Yeah, for you filmmakers out there doing a car scene with police, or just having fun with it. And this thing has exceeded my expectations is the best way to put it. This tiny little flashlight is amazing. And it's water resistant too, which is pretty cool. So next compartment, yeah, keeping some of the essentials. This is my school bag, like I said, my everyday bag. I do keep things like wet ones and some other things that I'll actually show you in here. And my current and favorite company for power banks is ID Mix. I love that this one has USB-C and USB-A, has a two-pronged plug to go straight into the wall for charging, and even has built-in USB-C and lightning cables. You gotta love this ingenuity, right? Come on. ID Mix has tons of different power banks, and I have quite a few of them. This is the current one I'm rocking in my bag. Okay, next up, I keep a few things in this pocket. I keep a little Moleskine notebook, just for some notes to jot down. This thing is brand new. I actually just got it in today. This is from Batterix. It's an ultra slim SOS charge card. It's supposed to be a one-time use to be able to charge up your iPhone. Gives you 3 hours of battery. It can work for Apple or Android because it comes with a little adapter, and it has an 8-year shelf life. Guys, this isn't sponsored. I just like everyday carry things that can save your butt. This thing is the size of probably 2 credit cards, and I actually like to keep this in my wallet now or just in my pocket. Currently, I have one in my actual backpack that I carry every day in my What's in My Tech bag, and then I also carry one in my car, and then I actually do carry one with my wallet and keys and stuff when I'm just out and about. Next up for charging as well, I love the Apple MagSafe little charger, and yes, I know there's some other ones out there charged via USB-C and all that, but until my iPhone goes USB-C, I don't mind having a lightning cable on me, and I just like Apple products, how they work nicely. I can even see the battery life of this guy. Last but not least, in this pocket, oh, you gotta love this thing. This is the Pocket Tripod Pro, and I have loved this company and this product for forever now. These guys have a credit card size little tripod for your phone. It can even angle to different angles for you to shoot those TikToks, for you to shoot all those little videos. Pocket Tripod Pro. You gotta love this. I got one last pocket to show you before we end this video, and that is the top compartment for my essentials. Yes, I am asthmatic. I have an inhaler in here always. I love this Touchland Smiley company. This is a flat design, basically hand sanitizer that just actually smells really good. You guys gotta check that one out. What flavor is this? This is Power Mist. Well, this one just smells clean, honestly. Keep some gum. Told you this is real. Gotta show you all my gear in here. Keep some Listerine. I love these little cool pocket mint packs. Okay? I keep a single-use Purell just in case. Don't judge me. Stallmates, stall wipes, check them out. And last but not least, my favorite pen, this guy right here. This is from Lamy or Lamy. This is their chrome pen, and it pops out almost like the Men in Black little thing that erases your memory. Come on, that's so sick. This pen is just one of my EDCs. Stays right in here. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All links below. And if you haven't already checked out the sponsor of this channel, Bluemon, make sure you check out that first link in the description below. Use code NOBA for discount at checkout. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Jerry Lamb with Nova Tech. See you in the next one.